Hello everyone, today we are taking a look at the Beauty macro virus for Microsoft Word. This virus activates on random days of the month when it displays a pop-up with a few pictures and some dialog box choices asking you something that I'm not entirely sure of, but maybe together we can figure it out. So we'll go ahead and run the macro virus. So we have square for Word 97. Now I believe we are missing a specific character set for this virus, so we cannot read all the text as we should be able to. And if we go to the macros window, we get this pop-up message that I cannot read at all. Hit OK, nothing happens. So now we can close out of Word, and well, I would say we could just cycle through dates and see if we can land on the right one. So we have about a 1 in 30 chance of selecting the right day, but instead of that, we're just going to utilize our elite hacker skills to own this virus. Now, be ready as I hack into the mainframe through the telnet. Boom! We're in. Alright, let's see. Modules. Beauty. Here we go. So here is the code for the macro virus using my amazing hacking abilities and enormous expertise. We scroll on through, we can see that basically we have an auto open macro, so whenever you open a Word document it will infect it. Whenever you close it, it will infect it. Let's see if we can see all the routines here. We have auto close, auto new, so on new files it'll infect it, auto open it'll infect it when you open files. And we also have game, guess 1, guess 2, guess 3. So let's take a look at some of these. So basically all the infection routines are the same, it just depends what you're actually doing with the Word document, what it's going to do. So basically, drops a template. If it hasn't been installed previously, it will install itself to the system and begin infecting every new or opened Word document that is processed through it. Fairly standard for a macro virus. And at the end of every one of these infection routines is a little quip saying if day now equals to a random value, then we will call game. Notice, game is in all lowercase. So we are going to change this. So instead of a random value, we'll just change if word basic. Let's see. We'll do a find and replace. I want to replace this line with this. So when the day is equal to 5. Place all. So 3 times for 3 different infection routines. So now when the day equals 5, we should see the virus activate. So close out of this, close out of this. Sure, we'll save the changes, why not? Change the date to the 5th of May 2001 and launch it. And boom, oh hey, it worked. When I tested this on a virtual machine, it didn't work because I had to change the routine name of game from all capital letters to lowercase, and I was going to have this whole funny spiel in there. But enough about that. Let's get into the actual payload of the virus. So we can see we got this girl, some more text we can't read, and 3 choices that all look to be slightly different from one another. We'll choose that one. Something? No, I guess not. We're pressing buttons and nothing's happening. Oh, we're getting a little risque for YouTube here. I don't know how much more of this we can look at for a virus video. It's getting a little too steamy in here. So more of the same. I am not sure what's happening. Oh, we went back. Oh no, we're okay. That's a little too spicy. I'm gonna have to censor that a little bit. You're just gonna have to fill in your imagination, because I think if you really stretch it, you can see the missing 5 or 6 pixels I censored out of this incredibly highly detailed image. So again, we're pressing buttons. Nothing's happening. And maybe eventually we'll get the right one. Oh, good grief, she's naked. Oh, we definitely can't show that on YouTube. We gotta censor that out. Oh, that's bad. Oh, trust me, you don't want to see this. And we'll keep pressing buttons. We're pressing them. Here we go. Get this porn off my screen. This is a professional video. For professional people. Get out of here. I can't get it to go away. I'm stuck on this. It won't leave me alone. Okay. If anybody knows how to get rid of the porn, let me know. We're still pressing buttons. Nothing's happening.
I'm pressing buttons, dude. Come on. Bug virus mechanics.
Oh, we did it. What did we do? I don't know what I did differently, but we're saving this in my documents as you with an apostrophe, which I'm assuming is supposed to be a different character. Hit save. Why not? Something's happening. Uh-oh. Let's take the floppy out of the drive just in case. Are we frozen? Start menu works. Sort of. We got the taskbar. We may have to Control-Alt-Delete. I don't know what OSA is, but we'll get rid of it. Maybe the on-screen assistant. Get rid of Microsoft Word. Let's see if it'll actually close. Okay. End task. Alright, we seem to have escaped relatively unscathed. Let's change the date, see if we can go back into the code and see if it does anything malignant. I guess the word for a virus should be malicious. Alright, so here's the actual routine for the game subroutine. And looking at this, it's actually pretty dumb. So you have your R, num, and answer variables. And basically, we're just comparing what you press to a random number. And if you get it right, then it goes on. I guess it's supposed to beep, but I have my speakers off. So sorry for tainting the virus video with the lack of ding noises. In some cases, I guess it's supposed to log out of Windows, but we did not see that happen. So maybe we'll relaunch this amazing game and see if we can get it to work. And this looks like a fun one. Why didn't we get this? It's supposed to write stuff into the document. I want to see that happen. Wait a minute. What about that file we saved? Let's go take a look at it. Here's you. Oh, hey, look, it worked. Hey, so once again, I cannot read this. If you can help me decipher this, I would appreciate it. But for now, I am in the dark. And now I really don't feel like going back through the virus just to see it reboot Windows, so let's just go ahead and do this. Alright, pretend the virus did that, and we are good to go to wrap up this video. Thank you very much for watching. Wait, we're doing that in the wrong order. That's about it for the Beauty macro virus. Thank you very much for watching. Take care.